Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Substack account. Here's how to recover your Substack account. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.substack.com and click on login at the top right corner of the page. On the login screen, so let's say you find it difficult to log into your account because let's say you forgot your password or something and you just want to reset it, just want to recover, you lost your password or your login details, you lost your account credentials and you want to recover your account. So the steps that you can take. So just open your web browser, any browser of your choice, and go to www.substack.com. Then in the website, click on login at the top right corner of the page. On the login screen, below the password field, you're going to see an option that says Forgot Password with a question mark. Click on the Forgot Password link. That's what you're going to find there on the login screen. Below the password field, click Forgot Password link. Once you click on Forgot Password, a pop-up window will appear. Now, in the pop-up window, enter the email address associated with your Substack account that you want to recover. Then click on Send Resets Link button that you're going to find. Once you click on Send Reset Link, open your email inbox and look for an email from Substack with a subject line related to password recovery. If you do not see the email in your primary mailbox, check your spam or your junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided in the message. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. In there, choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Then enter it and confirm it in the required fields. Click on Reset Password button. After successfully resetting your password, you'll be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Then click Login. Once logged in, it's very optional. You can consider enabling any available two-factor authentication. That's 2FA options for added security. Review your account settings to ensure everything is updated. I'll go over the process again. Open your web browser and go to www.substack.com. Click on Login at the top right corner of the page. On the login screen, just below the password field, you're going to see Forgot Password with a question mark. Click on that link, and in the pop-up window, enter the email address associated with your Substack account. Click on Send Reset Link button. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Substack with a subject line related to password recovery. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided in the message. And follow the on-screen prompts thereafter, which I have stated before, to recover your account and get back into Substack. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.